Whoa. What's up, everybody? Philip here, Tripwire Racing, getting started on a new project today. Today we have this little rat rod, formerly known as Public Enemy. My buddy Kyle bought this thing last year and brought it over to me to fix a couple little things. And I told him no, this car was dangerous. Whoever built this thing was a complete jackass. Yeah, a lot of really dangerous stuff here. It ended up catching on fire last Saturday. Little electrical issue. You know, you wouldn't want to put grommets through the firewall where you're running wires through there. And yeah, I mean, the suspension's just crazy. The welding is horrible. Yeah, just really bad. So we're going to fix that. And this is how we're going to do it. Kyle ordered up this new chassis, Hell's Gate hot rods, all airbagged. Pretty kick-ass little chassis. He wanted it low. He's going to get that. That's for damn sure. So, I'm going to start tearing the body off this thing and get ready to make Kyle a cool car. So I took the top layer of floor off, and there was a second layer of floor, all screwed in here and glued. Thanks for that. And this is pretty handy here. They got the master cylinder mounted to the firewall, so they grabbed a bracket off of something, who knows what the hell, and made some weird shit. Use some hose clamps to hold the steering column up to the bottom of the dash. Oh, yeah. Got this big old monster hole here for that little tiny steering column to go through. Thank God they put some tape on there to cover the hole. Oh yeah, the little bit of hole in the firewall for the distributor fit through there. That's where the wiring shorted out that caught it on fire the other day. Yeah. Oh yeah. We got the gas tank mounted in here with the filler nut pointing towards the back of your head. Makes it a lot of fun to put gas in. So, hey, if anybody out there recognizes this car, knows who built it, you might want to tell them to quit fucking with cars because they ain't no good at it. Oh boy. So I spent like 4 hours on this thing yesterday and had to go do something else. About another hour this morning, and now the body's ready to come off. So phase one is almost complete. Phase one is an utter disaster. Lift won't go high enough. Alright, third time's a charm. Good God. Fuck that chassis. Well, we're back for more. So, working on the Model A. Getting ready to start cutting stuff here. So, got to cut out this section of floor so I can get the chassis dropped down. And then we got to notch the wheel wells here so the axle actually fit in there. It's going to get cut up in here somewhere. But yeah, slowly making some progress. Got that hot rod motor and tranny out of the old chassis. So yeah, I don't think there's any reason for me to film cutting metal. So we'll come back after that chunk's out and we'll get her down a little lower. Keep on going. Alrighty. Slowly getting down there. So I cut that rear section of the frame out so I can start dropping her down in here. Got a little more trimming to do here in this corner. Get this thing all to fit. So I've got the tire pretty well centered where I want it. And I went ahead and measured from the body down to the frame. See how much more I got to go. It's about 11 inches. As you can see here, the axle's pretty much sitting on the body now as it is. So I got myself a little center line there. I measured up 11 inches. That's where I'm going to put my hole saw. And just cut her straight down and get the axle to drop down in there. Might get this thing sitting on the frame in a little bit. Hang tight, I'll be back. So here we go. Cutting holes in original metal. Yeah, that is as much fun as it looks like. So I'm going to cheat here a little bit, give myself a nice straight line to follow. Boom, just like that. Now we got a cut line. Time for new blade. Oh boy. Alrighty. So I got the body kind of mocked up on here enough to see where things are going to fit. Looks like the engine might actually fit. Not really sure where I'm going to put the radiator yet, but minor details. So I haven't channeled it yet. The rear will probably come up a little bit if I don't. But yeah, at least we have easy access to the transmission. But the drive shaft's going to make a real nice armrest. So I got this thing sitting on like a, I don't know, about a 4-inch block. I don't know. You think that's low enough? Or should we channel it? Another 4 inches? I don't know.